Hi beautiful, welcome back to another Lita video. Today I am finally doing this unboxing for the Red Iguana silicone hand by April. I was waiting for this in the mail and I finally got it today, and look at this beauty. I also ordered the extension or the holder for it, and I got the long one, and you'll be able to see that later on in the video. But guys, this packaging is so pretty. I was admiring it. And yes, and I am currently using it for some nail stuff to store. But when you open the package, it comes with this thank you for your order note. We appreciate your support. And it also has all of their information for social media. And I will leave all of that information in the description box. And it also has instructions on how to use the silicone hand. This set or the hand comes with a set of practice tips already for you, and it also comes with a little ring, which I think is such a cute detail. April thought about pretty much everything. It's those little details that matter and really make a difference, so I love that. So I ordered the half hand. It's not the full hand. I ordered the half hand, and yeah, I think that's pretty much all we need for practice. And yeah, the full hand was very tempting, I'm not gonna lie, but I was like, let me just go ahead and do this first. And if I love it, maybe in the future I will get the full hand. But yeah, here I am just messing around with it. I was just getting a little piece of hair off of there actually. And I did get the posable one. That's why I'm like moving it around and feeling it. And guys, this is just so realistic, and I'm absolutely in love with this. And yeah, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to put the ring on because I was excited for that. And I'm not gonna lie, once I put it on, I realized, oh my gosh, am I gonna scrape the finger or ruin it? So I was trying to be really careful. So it took me a bit to get it on. And I was even debating, should I even put this on? But she sent it in for a reason. These go with these little jewels for a reason. It's because you can put them on there. So when I realized it wasn't doing anything, I slid it back in there. And it looks so beautiful. Such a pretty detail. I loved it. I love everything that's like dainty and glam and pretty and shiny and sparkly and all that good stuff. So yeah, so here I'm going to show you the holder that it comes with. And I think I said this already, but I ended up getting the long. They do have a shorter one, but I got the long one because my table is kind of wide, and I wanted to be able to, for it to reach all the way where I sit. So the table that I have is from IKEA. It's not like your typical nail station where you're a little bit closer to the client. So here I show you how it clamps at the end of the table and then clamps onto the hand. And it's pretty dang perfect. And when you can't see the clamp and you just see the fingers, it's like, wow. I was just really impressed with everything. And I'm really excited to start practicing and doing nail looks. And yeah, I was just really excited. So here I decided to put on a nail tip to see how it goes into the cuticle part. And let me tell you that it's very stable. I was impressed with that as well. It doesn't move. You do have the option to do to actually secure the nail to the cuticle pocket. And on the instructions, it says that you can just use the nail or the silicone. It's a Red Iguana primer for silicone, and then the Gorilla Glue gel. And yeah, it says you can apply a thin layer Red Iguana primer for silicone on the silicone nail bed and let it dry for 10 seconds. You put the nail tip into the cuticle pocket as deep as you can, and then apply a small amount of glue between the nail tip and silicone finger and gently press the nail to the nail bed. And then you hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Make sure to remove the excess of the glue and then let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes, and you can start using your hand. So yeah, then here I will show you a clip of all of the tips in and just a better look at everything. and how it's going to be looking in my videos. I'm really excited, and yeah, as always, I appreciate you guys and thank you for watching this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button, join the Lita family, and I will see you in the next video.